All right, guys, here we go. It's black, it's plastic, and it spins around.
What is it?
Clue. That's my clue.
You are perfect.
Thank you.
This actually comes in handy in the spring in the garden. You go out to your vegetable garden and you put in these little baby tomato plants and some big lug with big feet steps all over them.
Who's he pointing
It was you.
You put this on top of them, it protects them, and as they start to grow, you simply take it away.
Tomato cage. It's a little tomato cage.
Nope, wrong. You know, it gets hot in the summer, and you still have to be safe on the job site. You know, you wear shorts. You know, you wear boots. But what do you do with the hard hat? It's going to collect some heat under there, right?
Especially under there.
This is This is new from the summer collection of OSHA. This is a hard hat for warm climates.
Oh, it's vented.
Yeah. See, it's vented. So
Looks
you
good
still
on
can.
you. Looks good on you. I think it's
yeah,
also
that looks good on
preventing
you.
your brain waves from working
What?
properly.
What?
Give me that thing.
Hey,
no,
Mo.
not at all. This is perfect. If you are just having a regular coffee, you just walk around with it in your hand and everything like that. But if you get a nice coffee,
Oh,
like an expensive
like
one,
a venti,
like a expensive
a
one,
grande venti.
a Maki thing. This is
hate that stuff.
for actually, so once you actually pay for that expensive coffee, now you can not only protect it from the crowds, but you can kind of show it off.
Oh,
and you're
yeah.
like, I got a venti Maki.
Little presentation.
I got a venti Maki.
right?
I got a venti Maki. You got
You
a
look
venti
silly.
Maki?
You look silly.
I got a venti Maki. Want this?
No, I'll take that. I'll
You
take
guys,
that.
you guys aren't even close. If you guys were paying attention, I didn't give you the hint right there. It's the 3 screw holes.
Oh yeah.
All right, you take
Oh,
this
now I
right
know
here,
what it is.
and you screw it to the wall like this. All right. Now, what do you do if you're playing, let's say, basketball
Where'd that come from?
or soccer? Where are you going to store the ball at the end of the day?
That's pretty good.
I'll drink to that.